Do you know what to do to prepare for when natural hazard hits your neighborhood? Or do you know what local resources and contacts are available that can support you in going through a natural hazard? If the answer is no, then you might find our game concept interesting, which includes a set of 20 playing cards that contain doable and locally adapted actions all around flood preparation, handling, and recovery. We, as in myself, Linda Hirsch, my colleague James Fay, and our PI Katherine Isbister, from the University of California, Santa Cruz, look into playful approaches to increase communities' climate resilience from the bottom up. So, our game contains information and QR codes too. For example, local news updates related to natural hazard events, such as cruise aware and broader social media channels distributed via Facebook. We also include a card category about family, pets, and friends, as many people want to know how to keep their loved ones safe. We had 5 categories in total. This card shows an action related to community engagement. The remaining 2 categories comprise actions related to neighborhood relations and maintenance topics, such as you clean the drains and gutters around your house. The cards are part of a larger interactive tabletop installation, which we are currently testing at the Seymour Center, which is a local community center. Here, you see a low-fidelity prototype version of the complete game and the cards, where players have to collaborate to get the highest possible climate resilience score for their community. For this, they have to be smart about their resources and when to play which action to get the best possible outcome. We hope to play the updated version with all of you soon. For more information about our approach and game details, please have a look at our late-breaking work. We thank our experts from the Seymour Center for their close collaboration and the UCSC Center for Coastal Climate Resilience for their support.